What's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's lower door valances on this Polaris RZR Pro XP. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove the door skin from the factory door frame. You'll need a T40 Torx and a T25 Torx. So back here on the back side of the door, you'll have a little clamp that goes around the door frame that ties into the skin. You want to make sure that you get that removed. Sometimes it can be hard to see it, just know it's on the rearmost portion of the door. Once we have all our hardware removed, we can just go ahead and grab our door skin and remove it from the door frame. So now that we have our door skin removed, we're going to grab our passenger side valance. It's going to lay up on the machine, on the door frame, just like this right here. Once you've confirmed that you have the correct side, you're going to grab 6 bolts and 6 nuts. And you're going to install the bolts through the factory holes in the door and start nuts on each of them. So once you have all your hardware started, what you're going to do is go ahead and close your door. And you want to adjust this valance to where it's not making contact, where it's not going to bind up or anything of that nature. So I'm going to kind of hold mine in this position here. Once I like where it's at, I'm going to go through and fully tighten all my hardware. So once we have our valance installed to our door frame, we're going to grab our D-seal and we're going to apply it on this edge all the way down and around. We'll run it all the way to the end of the valance, and then we will stop. Once we get to the end of the valance, you can just tear off your excess or you can cut it, either way. Then you'll just want to check it by closing the door. That way it's not going to rattle, the door's not going to move around at all, it's going to seal up nicely. So now it's time to reinstall our door skin. So now we're going to grab our factory door skin and go ahead and reinstall it. I like to close the door. It makes it just a little bit easier to get everything kind of lined back up how it's supposed to be. Then once I have it laid up onto the door frame itself, I like to just open the door, just like we did whenever we removed all the hardware. Then we're just going to grab all our factory hardware, put it right back where it came from. So once you went through and reinstalled all your factory door skin hardware, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's lower door valances on this Polaris RZR Pro XP. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.